A civil case is a lot like a moving train. So it's got stops along the way to its final destination, and it's constantly moving. And so the job of the law clerk is to keep that in motion so that we have justice being meted out fast and fairly. What's the authority of the school district to quash students' free expression outside of the environment of the school? Within the environment of the school, that's where their prerogative was. And I think that was the conflict and the difficulty that the students had in accepting that they, in fact, had to yield to some element of administration and curriculum control as exercised by the teachers. So that's, I felt, was the strongest part of the case and ultimately what carried the day. I don't think anyone had any sense at the time that, gee, this was a case that was going to go to the Supreme Court, or that 40 years later, someone might actually be thinking that it was important. As a case, I guess it holds interest, particularly amongst young people, because it's a case that has within its context rights that everyone thinks they have. Okay, and one of the things as I've practiced law and so forth is like, we're not always as free as we think we are in the United States. There are limitations on all of our rights, and that's part of ordered government. And so the mere fact by just saying, oh, this involves the free expression rights of students, that doesn't end the issue. But a lot of people wanted it, I think, to say, because it involved that sort of emotional or provocative issue, that should be the end of it.